Morning, guys. This is a same day routine every day. Take the dog out and pee. And as soon as I wake up, the snow is packed. Look at that. From last night. And the thing is about 6+ inches. This is what and then I bring the dog out and put the fence all around just for dog to pee and do the thing. So it's easy for me to scoop. Because if they happen to pee out there, this and that, and then it's kind of hard to play hide and seek. All right, you guys play outside with the snow a little bit, okay? Okay, Lily and Susu? Play there. Guys, outside of snowman only. Mine look like 6 or 7 inches of snow. Bambi, are you done? Huh? Yeah. As soon as I'm outside, right, my wife is already start shoveling the snow. Now, this is what you want in a woman. Hard working, can't wait, you know. She got to be the first. So she is the first one to shove the snow in the front yard. Good job, baby. Say hi to our fan. Yep, it's a lot of snow. Look at this. There you go. Pot yet? Huh? It's okay. Look at the car that's covered up with snow. Look at Jojo's car. That's Monica's boyfriend's car. Grand Jeep Cherokee. And this is the Jeep Wrangler Rubicon.
Cái chu mà cho ha.
This way's fast, like everybody copying me. It's good. If you try to do like a half of or 12 inches at a time, you really is gonna get tired. So do my way is easier. Leftovers gonna delay anyway. What's that say?
Nâng ở đây nhung có chu snow khơi nhét vào cái chu hết nè. Chu tên đi muối, chu tên nó muối. Cáiมันtên.
A lot of snow, it's crazy. You could never win snow. It's snow every year. You trash it out, the next year it come back again. This halfway almost halfway done. It's fast.
មកពីស្នូថ្ងៃនេះឈូសស្រួលហ៎
Họ đại YouTube ឲ្យបងប្អូនមើលថាស្រកអាមេរិកមិនយ៉ាប់តែ snow ទេខែត្រជាក់យ៉ាប់ snow ពេលខែក្តៅយ៉ាប់ស្មៅអរេសិនណាជួលឈូ snow វិញត្រូវស៊ីមួយម៉ោង$100អត់ទេពេលឃើញឈូ snow ឲ្យតែម៉ោង25បានហើយមកពីក្មេងយើងនឹងមកផ្លាយទៅវីអូ
ចាំមិនសិនមិនយកមកឈូនៅដៃហ៎
សិនវាអត់បានជើង fix ឈូដៃវាស្រួលហងតែពេទ្យឲ្យយើងមានកម្លាំងយើងចាស់ហើយឲ្យយើងធ្វើការ exercise និយាយទេ This is fast and it kind of look like messy but we're going to clean it up later
មីធ្វើមើលលងអស់អាលីងថ្ងៃនេះ snow ច្រើនប៉ាដូចអត់តិចណា It's not cold
វា snow រួចហើយអា cold weather upstairs អស់ហើយ
ស៊ីដាជនតមកវាជាប់នៅក្រោមបាក់ជួយ
Really, trust me. Everything comes faster. You do like as I say, 4 weeks at a time. You do this. See? Hey, that's the only take like probably not even 5 minutes.
នេះឈូសនៅខាងមុខផ្ទះយ៉ានៅខាងមុខផ្ទះម្ដងហើយមើល តែប៉ាមិនដាក់ទៅជាប់ជាមួយឡានចូលឡានមិនចោល
Huh?
ឈូសទៅធ្លាក់ក្នុងឡានអញ្ចឹង
This is the only place. It's fine. That's what I do every single time. Because you kind of go walk in over here. Yeah, that's too later.
នឹងឡានខ្ញុំមកខាឡាកចតនៅចោលក្នុងខ្នល់អត់មានកន្លែងចត
Yeah.
ដើមឈើអានេះ
Ambition.
នឹងកន្លែង
You have to clear that out the way. On every house here, if you haven't seen that.
កន្លែងទឹកក៏
Just help the house if it's on fire.
មើលដើមឈើសិតទៅកកជាប់អាជីពនៅខាងលើសិតទៅកកដាក់អត់ទាន់ screen and this one Jojo car ម្ចាស់អត់ទាន់ក្រោកអានេះដើរទៅចដានៅខាងក្រោយclear ស្អាតហើយនៅខាងមុខខាងមុខស្អាតតិចតិចហើយខ្ញុំអាចដើរបានហេតុតែមើលនេះចដានៅខាងមុខនេះចដាមុខនេះ
Did I move it?
ឈូស
Let's see.
តែព្រេងឈូសឲ្យចដាមុខនេះថា
Go everywhere. Too much snow. You don't want this. Whoever wants it, right? Come and get it.
នឹងបងអូនខ្ញុំគាត់ចង់ឲ្យខ្ញុំទិញទឹកសេរ៉ូមកហើយដាក់ទឹកកកនឹងញ៉ាំ
I think you probably could really eat it maybe. But think there's no more that and no lơ and so.
មានតែនៅក្នុងផ្ទះ
Yeah, no. I'm not gonna try it.
Try
I'm
it
saying you
I want to
probably
see
could
it
because it's like fresh snow. You probably, at the end you probably have diarrhea.
diarrhea is okay if you die yeah it's the
No,
problem
I'm not gonna die. Snow everybody eats. It's kind of like salty, a little salty. That's it. Stairway's done.
Ni ở đây mà pro về trên cái đào má anh ta nằm cho mưa pe là nghỉ thì chị á hồi cọ quanh mà nâng hay là ở lát ra được chọn chứ nát khóc lo nâng baby nhóm á này là này nhóm bà và là mùi nó nhóm đạt đạt kì here
เวลานี่ตกเจ้าแล้วเนี่ยเวลาเอาตะไลแก้วลัว
no
มาบ้วย
nè
วิ่งร้านนะ
ô boy tôi chọt khang mộc tôi khăn you slide tôi mộc anh tôi chọt nó có mà lạ nó này
do that rule นะ
yeah
คลายตัวบ้านง่ายๆมุกดีเราจอดมุกแล้วเบียร์ลานโจโจโจท้อยจับไอ้บ่ายยังเบิ่มคือสนุกต่อไปไปเยอะที่สโนลานมันall the driveway the front way is already done walkway now the car now yeah choose no จังอะไรนี่จัง right we should like choose the line first right and then after law นี่
nó người tịnh
mấy nó slow lo mấy tầm á có chú đặt tại kéo được
stop it don't be like that
I want to see sap the same thing as the got chú
of course it could the god no
see but we'll try one and see taste already show you here try it's not salty it tastes the same as the got chú similar you just need this syrup you all set nó sẽ mất cho mình từ mà là rồi cho nó một phần I know
Trương lấy thế
នេះពួកខ្ញុំកើបអំបិលហើយយកបាយនឹងផ្លៅឲ្យវាជួយឲ្យវារហ័សស្អី the layer yeah layer snow off the bike tunnel driveway and street walkwayនេះកុំខ្មែរច្រឡំណាមិនបាយឲ្យហូបមន់មកហូបទាណាណាអានេះកុំឲ្យមន់នឹងទាមកអ៊ីទៅពុលងាប់អានេះអំបិលស្អីអំបិលសែននេះបាយឲ្យជូររួចអស់ហើយstreet walkway នេះនឹងឲ្យមនុស្សដើរស្រួលIt's we shoving the roof, so I heard it's going to be snowing on Thursday. It's going to be more. We don't want to be double, so I Joe shoving the roof, the side roof, I think you call it. Huh? It's a nice view.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Yeah, he came through this window here from his room and shoveled his mini roof backyard, right? Yeah.
What's this? What is that?
Oh, that's air from the bottom basement, so it need the oxygen, you know.
Yeah.
So it don't like how you call it. You go downstairs,
So
don't
if you get
smell.
trapped downstairs.
Yeah, so the air don't trap.
Yeah.
Jojo is doing all the work.
Well, I didn't get to do the driveway today, so
Yeah.
I do this.
Not to be offensive, but you know, it's good to have guys in the house, you know. Yeah. And Jojo is not a small guy too. He's like, how tall are you, Jojo?
Like 6'2".
6'2". He's tall. He's tall and he's big, strong too. All right, everybody. See you later.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the heart and soul of Lowell, Massachusetts, here with Papa Pooh. Driving right now. Yeah, look at how beautiful. We got the snow that hit yesterday, last night.
I'm here, city of Lowell, Massachusetts.
Good old New England.
Or the classic view.
Got the nice Jeep. Oh, the beautiful princess. You know, looking kind of cloudy.
It looks cloudy, but it's fine when you need it because of the screen, black screen.
Yeah. So tell me, Pooh, how long have you lived here in Lowell?
Since 1996.
1996.
Yeah, but I like lived in Lowell for like 3-4 years, and I moved to New Hampshire, and then I came to Lowell and bought the house, and then lived since then.
And let's say you came up off some money, would you move out of Lowell or would you stay?
I would stay. I wouldn't move anywhere else.
And as I'm recently moved in there, and we have yet to make memories in that house, you know, little by little, making memories, karaoke, all that good stuff. Hoping to make more. Summertime, first summer at the house. We're gonna make it special.
Still recording?
Yes, we're still recording, making it special.
He's interviewing.
Yeah, we're doing a little interview, doing a little, what do you call it? Doing a little bit of,
Acquainting.
yeah, acquainting. Telling the people what's been going on here. For you guys that don't know, my name is Jojo. I'm the boyfriend of the owner of the YouTube channel, Boo Boo Time.
Wait, you're the boyfriend of the owner of the boot
I'm
There's a joke there. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
They're gonna be son-in-law.
Yeah, well, the people understand. But
Mr.
people,
Boo Boo.
yeah.
And his daughter's right there sitting on the back.
Yeah, sitting in the back right there, being a menace to society.
Okay.
But yeah, this is the little life into the Boo family. We're right here on the bridge, the Lowell Bridge, the infamous, infamous Lowell Bridge. You
I'm
know.
going to 7-Eleven.
Yes, we are going to 7-Eleven, so I could get a milk and ice. Probably get 2 bags of ice, right?
One. The first
One.
pack.
It's packed. We got milk. I need to get my cereal.
Yeah, we got home already. There's a lot of snow out here. Yeah. Jojo's bought the plunger, the snack is ready.
Yeah, we're ready.
And now we need the food.
We need the food. We got the Fruity Pebbles for the breakfast.
Yeah.
And we gotta get the other stuff in the back. But
Yeah.
it ain't over yet.
Nope.
Hold on, let me take this out of you. Get the stuff in the back.
Oh, water running. Watermelon running. I should record that.
Did it break?
No, it didn't break. Look, it didn't break. Look.
I saved it.
Yeah. Food.
I don't know how
Yeah,
did it.
that's good.
Yeah, we gotta get this right.
I know. It's fine. I got it. You got it? Yeah. Oh, Yo-Yo's man. Look, he grab everything. He's strong. Strong young man.